Here's how to fix the IoStore Signature Error pack is invalid error in Fortnite. This error is caused by corrupted pack files in your Fortnite installation, specifically small fragmented files that fail their signature check on launch. The fix involves removing those corrupted files and then letting the game verify and replace them. First, make sure no Epic Games processes are running. Open Task Manager, look for any Epic Games launcher or background Epic processes, and end them all. Running the fix while Epic processes are active can cause the file deletion to fail or the verification to error out. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Fortnite installation folder. Go into the Content folder, then Packs. Sort the files by size. You are looking for files ranging from 1 kilobyte to under 2,000 kilobytes. These small files are the corrupted signatures causing the error. Delete all of them. Do not delete the large pack files, which can be several gigabytes. Those are your actual game content. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. Epic will scan the installation, detect the missing signature files, and download fresh copies automatically. Once verification completes, launch Fortnite and the error should be gone. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.